Have you ever found yourself scrolling through social media, watching others flaunt their success, their new cars, fancy homes, or dream vacations? You wonder, why can't I have that? Why am I stuck here, working hard every day, while others seem to have it all? That sense of being small, of wanting more, of feeling like you will never measure up, it's frustrating, right? Well, this feeling of chasing after what seems bigger and better can drive us mad. No matter how much we get, there's always something we think is greater. But what if I told you that this endless pursuit of more might be the very thing holding you back from true happiness? Let's dive into the story of a humble stonecutter who thought just like that and see how he found the real secret to contentment. Once, in a quiet village, there lived a simple stonecutter named Taro. Every day, Taro toiled away, breaking stones under hot sun, earning a modest living. But no matter how hard he worked, Taro couldn't shake the feeling that he was small, unimportant. He envied the rich men who passed by in their fancy clothes, enjoying a life of comfort and luxury. One day, frustrated with his fate, Taro looked up and wished, "I wish I were rich and powerful like that man. Then I would finally be happy." To his surprise, a voice echoed in the air, "Your wish is granted." Instantly, Taro found himself in fine clothes, living in luxury, surrounded by admiration. One day, he saw a government official setting a social matter, empowering his position and power. He thought, "I wish I could be the official. He is so powerful." His wish came true in a flash. He became a government official then. But one day, marching down the street, he noticed something. No matter how wealthy he was, the heat of the sun still made him uncomfortable. The sun is more powerful than any man, Taro thought. "I wish I was the sun." In a flash, Taro became the bright, blazing sun, shining down on the earth. He felt powerful, burning the ground and watching the people hide from his heat. But then a thick cloud appeared and blocked his rays, casting shade over the land. "The cloud is stronger than the sun," Taro reasoned. "I wish to be the cloud." And so he became the mighty cloud, pouring rain and covering the sky. Yet to his dismay, the wind soon blew him away, tossing him wherever it pleased. "The wind is stronger than the cloud," he thought. "I wish to be the wind." As the wind, Taro rode across valleys, toppling trees and blowing fiercely, until he met an immovable mountain. No matter how hard he blew, the mountain stood firm. "The mountain is the strongest," Taro exclaimed. "I wish to be the mountain." Taro became a tall, towering mountain then, proud and solid, unshaken by any force. But one day, he felt a small tap at his base. Looking down, he saw a stonecutter, hammering away at his rocky surface. Stunned, Taro realized the truth. The stonecutter, with his simple tools, has the power to shape even the mightiest mountain. "I wish to be a stonecutter again." And so, Taro returned to his simple life, working under the sun, but with a new understanding. He no longer desired to be more than he was, for he had found peace in who he already was. In life, we often feel the pressure to be more richer, more powerful, more successful, thinking that's the key to happiness. But like Taro, we sometimes forget that true contentment doesn't come from chasing more, but from appreciating what we already have. Think of someone who constantly strives for the next promotion at work, believing that higher status will finally bring satisfaction. But with every new title, there's always something else to chase. Eventually, they may realize that the joy they are seeking doesn't lie in titles or status, but in accepting and valuing their current efforts and finding balance in life. The secret to happiness is not about being the best or having the most. It's about recognizing that what you have right now might already be enough.